Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay AliExpress with Jazzcash. So let's get into the video. So open up AliExpress and log into your account if you have an account. So once you are up, then if you want to pay on AliExpress with Jazzcash, then what you need to do, let me first add something to my cart so that I can check out, because I'm going to get to the payment method section. So I've already added this in my cart, so I just went to the added this to my cart. So I want to proceed with checkout. So once I've plugged in all the shipping address and all those information, so when I get to payment method here, so if I want to use my Jazzcash, then I can only do so if I have the debit MasterCard from Jazzcash. So only if you have the debit MasterCard, then you will be able to use it. Otherwise, unfortunately, you won't be able to use your Jazzcash on AliExpress. So if you have the card, so simply select the add a new card, and then once you click on add a new card, so all you have to do here is simply add in the details of your debit MasterCard from Jazzcash. So add those details, hit on save and confirm, and then hit on the place order to use it. So that's how you can use Jazzcash on AliExpress. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.